Portugal was a global maritime power during 15th and 16th century, all thanks to its long coastline, the ideal setting for raising adventurous seamen. Hence, we dedicated a day to explore the famous Algarve coast in the south of Portugal. Here are C and Abi from Boarding Adventure showing you the top places to visit from Lagos to the Faro district. Being lovers of natural beauty, this place gave us the most awe-inspiring moments and lifetime memories. The whitewashed fishing villages, sandy coves, rugged coastline, golden cliffs, ocean in every shade of blue, and the numerous deserted rocky islands and arches that fill the coastline makes it a place worth visiting when you are in Portugal. So let's begin by showing you the praias and fishing villages that you can visit on your trip to Algarve. After spending the night at our Airbnb in the town of Lagos, we made a stop at beach Estudantes or the student beach. After passing through the natural tunnels and the cliffs, we came to a stone bridge which was a unique sight in itself. Praia Dona Ana is the typical beach that gives you the perfect postcard view when you think of Algarve. Praia do Camilo gives uninterrupted views of the long golden coastline and the many islands and arches that line it. Ponta da Piedade is the southernmost point of Lagos with many interesting sandy coves, rocky caves and arches that can be enjoyed from the top or can be explored by foot after climbing down a flight of stairs. After a 40-minute drive, you will reach the Faro district and our favorite spot, Praia da Marina and Natural Arch. Natural Arch is this double arch that virtually gives appearance of a heart when photographed along with the surrounding cliff. There are many interesting rock formations in this area. Also, when visiting this place, we recommend going to the Benagil cave boat tour that has a secret beach inside the cave and the white town of Carvoeiro. We ended our day by spending some time at Praia da Coelha at sunset and then enjoyed a dinner at Albufeira. So guys, that was all from our journey in the Algarve coast and also a Portugal trip. Make sure to give all the videos in the playlist a watch if you haven't, and stay tuned for more travel content coming your way. Till then, like, subscribe and share if you enjoy watching our videos, and comment if you have any questions when planning your getaway.